I had a patient who had arthritis, and he said that part of the cause of his arthritis was cracking his knuckles. But this is part two of our myth versus reality series. The old myth we've heard is that cracking your joints causes arthritis. It's important we tell you that it's far from the truth. Arthritis is caused by wear and tear of your joints, or sometimes an autoimmune disease can cause arthritis. So cracking your knuckles is actually just an escape of the synovial fluid that's in between your joints, so it doesn't cause arthritis. One good mobility exercise that can help with arthritis would be knee, for example, lying in bed, trying to bend and straighten your knee. That's good for mobility. Follow up on this physical therapy month as we debunk more common misconceptions about bone muscles.